Alrighty guys, later on in the day here, the baby is upstairs sleeping. So now I can go get a battery and fish this one out and go get this shaft, the shifter shaft here. So we can be able to put our freaking shifter things on there. But other than that, we should be good, man. Let's fish it out real quick. Got that thing fished out. Let's go get that new one and go see if we can find some stuff to shift this thing with. Y'all see I had to come up to Harley real quick and get a little spacer because my boy out here, he said he got most of the parts for me already. So we're gonna go to his crib right after here, but I'm gonna just get this spacer. This is literally the cheapest thing I ever bought in Harley before. So we're gonna see what the total price is. Now at first it was $1.95, but I wanted to get the other little shifter thing just to be safe, so $6 in total. Man, y'all know I had to come pull up on my boy, man. He got me right with the floorboards right there and the freaking shifters along with the shaft, and I got the other little spacer in the car, man. So we're gonna get back to the crib and see if we can get some shifting in this thing, dog. Y'all know it wouldn't be a Harley day without having to get gas, but we did end up going to get our brand new battery as well, so we'll be able to get that thing started and rolled up the ramp once we do get that shifter shaft on there, right? So let's hope we can do that thing correct and all that. Like I said, I'm just now learning this stuff with you guys, man. So like I said, really just learning as I go, but it is what it is, man. Gotta try it someday, man. You can't just keep going to the dealer every time, man. Made it back to the crib. First, I want to do this shifter because this is going to be the hardest part for me, at least. Got a couple new pieces here, so we'll pop these on real quick and get it going, dog. Alrighty guys, we got that little spindle thingy out, so that's a plus. Here is the old one, definitely broken off, but I'm sitting here looking at the new one. My boy then freaking gave me one that's freaking welded on this joint, so I don't even think this one gonna work. So I'm gonna still have to go right back to Harley and get one of these things when I should have just got it in the first place. But all right, man, so we done got this floorboard switched on there. This actual piece on this one is actually welded, so I can't use this one. But we're gonna go find this piece at Harley real quick. Man, I'm mad I gotta go back, but it is what it is. I wanna get it done. Just made it back to the crib. Let's see if we can get this shaft on there and get it back shifted, man. Yeah, man, I didn't try to get these fucking shift levers on there, dog, and these hoes is literally entirely too small to fit on this thing. See, this one fits all right. I might be able to do one, but I'm not even gonna be able to do that. This one fits perfectly. The other one doesn't even fit at all. That's what's nuts, man. I'm just over it at this point, to be honest with you, bro. Alrighty guys, man, after some frustration, we weren't able to get these little RLNS shifters on. This first one is like too tiny to get on. The hole is too small. And this one, you can put this one on here, but it's not gonna even look right. I'm just gonna find another stock shifter and we'll be good there. We got no play in the shifter, so that's a plus. But it is on there and it is shifting. So that's a plus, man. Let's get this battery in here real quick and see what this thing's sounding like and shifting like now. Alrighty, man, we done got that battery on. We done got that shifter on there as well. We got that floorboard on there, man. So let's see if it'll crank right up for us now. I know we barely got any gas, but there we go. There we go. There we go, Jackaroo. 55,000. Okay. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think. About to see how this thing shift real quick. Ready? Hold on. Oh yeah, these heated grips is for sure working. That's dope. Fine, you done? Ready? Alrighty, guys, next morning here. We left off yesterday with the last little first ride. We did get the shifter on there. We got a new set that's already ordered, a brand new shifter, heel and toe. So we'll wait for that one to come to get that thing like literally perfect. Pretty much when we start putting the paint set on and everything, that'll go on there then. But for now, it's time to get this thing shining and gliding, man. So about to load it up on the truck, take it to the car wash, and get this thing sparkled down. Because as y'all see, y'all know I can't do that, man. It wasn't even supposed to come into the garage before, you know, it did get clean. But it is what it is, man. We gonna get this thing loaded up and get up out of here real quick. Just like that, got her all loaded up. It's time to shine, man. Then before we did get to the car wash, we did put a gallon of gas in there. We got no leakage or nothing like that, so we're good there. So that's a plus, man. Let's go get this thing clean. Y'all remember last time I was at this car wash, I freaking got stuck on a dang ramp. I don't know how I got that thing off, but I know now I gotta offload this thing way over here, but it's all good, man. Alrighty, y'all, you know what time it is. We just made it to the car wash. Bike wash today. Let y'all see what's going on, man. Can't wait to see this thing shined up. Let's get it though. We're gonna set this thing up on the jacks, get these bags and everything clean right along with it, playboy. Alrighty. This thing is shining up now. You see some chrome hitting. All the above. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. I want to get this thing dried off before we get too many water spots and whatnot. But it is looking good, dog. Alrighty, let's fire back up. Looking real good, big dog. I'm digging it. About to throw these bags on there real quick because they are shined up too, man. Gotta get the full effect of this thing real quick one time. Yeah, these bags definitely gave it some justice. That thing is looking real clean now. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. It's time to load this thing back up, get it back to the crib. Y'all already know what's next, man. All loaded up, cleaned up. Let's get back to the crib, man. This thing is shining now, dog. I'm really digging this chrome in this bike, man. I ain't gonna even hold you, dog. This thing cleaned up good. Ooh, that limited ain't no joke. Just made it back to the cribbo. Gonna get this thing offloaded and check it out a little bit more now. Now that we got that joint offloaded, man, I cleaned it up, but now I gotta really just detail it and shine it up, man. So I'm gonna go get some detail spray because I'm literally out of this stuff, nothing in there. So gotta go get some more real quick, but we gonna get this thing clean. Alrighty, guys, later on in the day here, man, I was supposed to be wiping this thing down. I done went upstairs and went to sleep. Me and my mama was tired, man. Freaking, I look up and she done came back with a whole new car. Got the whole little Benz thing. Okay, I'm digging that, man. I want to see everybody shining out here, man. Doing whatever they want to do, man. Whatever you see in life, man, you can have. She been wanting a new car. Not only a new car, this car for a while, man. And it's happy to just see her get what she really wants on her own without anybody helping her and all that, man. So that's always a plus. She came through with a new Benz, man. You guys remember I got her the 2013 BMW. So now she done upgraded out of nowhere. I'm digging it. You got the small little SUV. Crossover. Big Benz. Little crossover thing. I can dig it. Fresh black on that joint, man. But yeah, man, can't never underestimate yourself, y'all, man. Always go for what you want, man. Believe in yourself. If you can think it, man, you can have it. Like I said, anything is possible, man. Just don't stop believing and always shoot for the stars, man. Don't ever go out, and think you can't have something, because you can have whatever you want in this life, man. As long as you believe it, it can happen, man. So just keep that in mind when you out here going about your day, man, because she done came back and just stunned it. I'm digging this, though. I'm really happy for you. But we gonna get this thing shined up, dog. That definitely looks a lot better. You look closer, y'all can see the shine on that John. I'm for sure digging it now. That chrome is definitely hitting. Definitely hitting. We can even start from the front. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. We're gonna flip the bike around. We got some more side mirrors as well. Everything that's damaged on here is already ordered and ready to go. So it's just a matter of getting here and we busting it down and taking it to the paint. So can't wait for that. You guys just see how, oh my God, this chrome is hidden. Yes, Lord. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, man. We gonna go take a quick little ride on this thing around the block or something real quick, man. See what it do.